We're still here at Koenig Bauer's booth at Printing United, and it's actually quite interesting to come to a booth with the nice people from Koenig Bauer, because even though they don't have equipment on the booth here, they still have good success. We just spoke to Tom, and he told that it's been a good sales already from here. Now I'm talking to Stephen, and Stephen, you're still relatively new with Koenig Bauer, so I take everything you say with that, that grammage of salt that you have. You're new here, right?
Thank you very much. Yes.
So, what do you do with Koenig Bauer?
So I'm the digital product manager for Koenig Bauer in North America.
And that sounds like a fun job.
It's great. We're looking forward to it. Very exciting.
Yeah.
Wonderful people, wonderful products. We have an exciting strategy we're going to market around digital, and it's all very, very much very exciting.
And when you look at the digital market, I mean, there's some really big players in the market in the digital space. Would you say? I mean, and I think one of the things I said to you before the camera was turned on, that I mean, you work with HP on the T700i and the T1400, and you work with Durst on the Varijet, and you have your own Rotajet here. Do you think that's just part of the DNA of Koenig Bauer to be open in collaboration?
Well, we have a very deliberate strategy in digital. We also include leveraging our current intellectual property and our ability to manufacture machines in the best way possible. And we're doing this with this particular method of manufacturing machines for the appropriate application. And then we're also taking some of that technology direct to market with Rotajet and with Varijet.
Because what I like about, I mean, of course I don't know your strategy, but I believe that when I look at Koenig Bauer as a company, I think it seems that despite all the changes, in particular in the offset world, it seems that you have a very good and forward-moving strategy where you really want to be a player in both the offset and the digital space, right?
There's no question, and digital has been evolving. We're building up a certain amount of energy in digital, and you see it almost really now at the big tipping point. And a lot of our customers, as you know, they are industrial manufacturers, and they are looking for the same type of digital solution. So this is our strategy. We'll build 24/7 machines that are for industrial printing and enabled with digital technology.
And when you look at this is just almost just the beginning. I know Koenig Bauer has been in for a while, but I'm just saying that I think it was Negroponte that said that everything that can go digital will go digital. And I mean, of course, when you have something that is so analog as packaging and folding cards and things like that, it takes a little bit longer time because there's big investments already in market. But do you think everything will move in this direction eventually?
More and more digital is building. There's no question about it. Yeah. It has, with the right versatility and the right flexibility inside of the machine, the applications can develop. And that's what we're seeing, where digital is becoming extremely more mainstream rather than a niche application. So the versatility and the flexibility inside of the machine and what it can do for the customer is very important. And that's where we are listening to our customers and responding to the market, and this is why we come with this strategy.
When I was at Rotajet just a few months ago and saw the progress of the development of the Varijet 106, I mean, it's a beast, right? I mean, it is so big, and it is what I think, what I like about it is that it has this industrial robustness, so it looks like a machine that is capable of managing the high volumes and even the variable data and the high quality and the speed and everything in one nice package, right?
Sure, there's no question about it. And we've also incorporated repeated technology into the Varijet, and it's the reason for the length. Yeah. The length is very important because it gives us the performance, and this is what our customers are asking us for.
And I know there are a few demo sites in the world. Is there any demo site in America for the Varijet so far?
No, we're still using the factory.
Okay, still the factory.
Yes, we're still using the factory. This is where we can best address the applications, and we can show the customers everything that they need to see about the Varijet and also about Koenig Bauer. Yeah. And we have the most...
And you have the fantastic demo center
It's fantastic, and also manufacturing.
Yeah.
So we are able to show not only what the machine can do, but also how we are putting the machine together and fabrication and all of these things. It's very important because all those components are still a part of our machines. In terms
is there any official release date for the Varijet?
Well, we're building projects now.
Okay,
we're actively building projects now.
Okay.
We're working on beta installations as we speak, and those are scheduled. Yeah. So we are going to market with Varijet in North America. It's part of my area of responsibility. So
it will be fun, right?
It's very exciting.
Yeah. So I mean, it seems that the responsibility you have accepted on your shoulders is pretty big, right?
I agree.
Yeah.
And I learn more about this every day. So it's very, very exciting.
And when you do this, it can be healthy competition, but is there also like healthy competition within Koenig Bauer? About getting the machines to market.
No.
Okay.
We are working as a team.
As a team.
That's something that's very important, and we are working as a team in collaboration with sales managers and my colleagues in the factory. So there's no internal competition. We are really trying to only do the right thing for the customer.
And that just emphasizes this thing I asked first, that it seems that with the strategy that Koenig Bauer is really following these years, it seems that teamwork and success fuels even more energy within the employees to really perform on the same track, right?
Absolutely. We have this trusted advisor strategy when it comes to working with our customers, and we are collaborating as a team, right? So some of my colleagues have an area of expertise in sheet fed, others in web. I bring a little bit of knowledge in digital, right? So we're all working together in collaboration to support our customers, which is the most important.
Stephen, to me you seem like a humble man, because I think you bring a lot of value to the team.
We shall see.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Great meeting you.
My pleasure.